Hey YouTubers, going to make a video on how to replace a ceiling light. This ceiling light was put in by the first owners and we don't particularly like it. It's a little big and gaudy and it has fluorescent bulbs in it, which we don't care for in this case, this application. So we're going to replace it with a Huntington, and it's got a Tuscan bronze look to it, which is more modern. This one has more of a silver type style to it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, the first step is to remove this end piece. It just screws on, so unscrew that. That results in that coming off and that plate that goes around it, and then the globe slides off of this huge threaded bolt, which goes up into the plate that's holding everything up. We also have to loosen this bolt until held on by a large nut, and then all these bolts here, these two bolts here are the main bolts, I think, that are holding this plate up. Okay, this whole thing comes loose and comes down from the ceiling. You see, it was being held on by these long bolts here, and it has a bracket here that's holding it in place, and the wiring, it's just hanging by the wiring now. Not sure where this ground is hooked into, but anyway, I need to disconnect these wire nuts, and then I can take it completely down. Okay, here's the piece we're going to put up. I just used the same bolt, screwed it in. This is nicer because it has a nice nut that's part of this, because on the other one you had to put this through and then put the washer and nut on the top side and tighten it, and then try to adjust it from below. So this is a better design, I think. And these are the wires that are going to connect up. We will hook the black to the black and the white to a tan one there. And then this is the ground wire. We'll connect that to this. So we'll disconnect that. Disconnect this. This also. Okay, I've connected the wires and I've put a nut on one of the screws. Put the other one through here and put it on next. Okay, and there's a large large place hole in the plate and small, and you want to rotate the entire thing so the screws are in the narrow holes. Okay, so we screwed this on, and there's your finished Okay, there's the finished light, YouTubers. Old John over and out.